Hi there, I'm Florentin, and today we're gonna get you started with the NIRLAB spectrometer setup. In this getting started video, we'll teach you how to set up your NIRLAB device. Feel free to use our chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Now let's get started. Your NIRLAB device is delivered in a hard-shell pelican case with its accessories. First there is the spectrometer, then a white reference for the calibration, a sapphire glass to protect the detector window, and a few charging cables. Prior to using your spectrometer, you need to remove the cover on the detector and screw the sapphire glass protection window on it. Now your spectrometer is ready to use. Your NIRLAB device comes with a mobile app that you can download on the App Store or the Google Store, and it's called NIRLAB. Connecting the device to the mobile app is pretty easy. Start the app, start the device, wait for the device to appear in the app menu of detected devices, and click Pair for connecting. When the blue light stops blinking, the device is connected, and the app will redirect you to the home page screen. At every start of the app, you are requested to calibrate the device. This is a very simple step that is done in a few seconds. To perform calibration, I simply need to apply the white reference mirror on the NIRLAB device, then click on the Calibrate button on the mobile app, and then push the NIRLAB device button. After a few seconds, the calibration is done and we are ready for our analysis. It is recommended to calibrate regularly. The mobile app will inform you when it is necessary. There are two scan modes. The first mode is the screening mode that allows for a rapid analysis of a substance. The second mode is the standard mode that allows several measurements of the same sample in order to improve the quality of the prediction by averaging the results. Now let's perform a rapid analysis using the screening mode. The NIRLAB device is able to identify illicit substances in various forms, in powders, in pills, in liquids, and in flowers such as cannabis. In this example, we have pills seized by the police during a raid. The screening mode is always available from the mobile app homepage. We start the analysis by pointing the device at the questioned substance and clicking on the button. The analysis takes 5 seconds, after which the result is displayed on the mobile app. In this pill, NIRLAB has detected around 50% of MDMA. In the standard mode, the accuracy can be improved by taking several measurements. I recommend to take 2 measurements on both sides for the pills. These measurements will be average and deliver a better representation of the overall pill content. In this chapter, we will see how to analyze powders. Powders can be analyzed in direct contact, through thin plastic or through glass. Direct contact produces the best accuracy, especially on the quantification. Before starting an analysis on a powder, make sure the sapphire glass is clean. Here are 3 powders that we would like to analyze using the direct contact mode in order to maximize the quantification accuracy. I recommend to use the standard mode in order to assess the homogeneity of the powder by taking several measurements. I simply take the NIRLAB device and I point it at the powder and click on the button. After 5 seconds, the light turns blue and the analysis is done. The result is displayed directly on the mobile app. In this sample, NIRLAB has detected around 40% of cocaine with phenacetin as a coating agent. Now let's analyze the second sample. NIRLAB has identified methamphetamine crystal in their pure form. Now on to the third powder. The third powder was identified as sugar. NIRLAB can measure the THC and CBD potency of dry flowers and hash. To perform an analysis on dry flowers, simply point the device at the flower and click on the button. The result is displayed instantly on the mobile app. It is the same procedure to analyze hash. Ambient light can interfere with the measurement. It is not recommended to make analysis with the device pointing upwards. In order to measure small samples, it is recommended to use an aluminum cup. Aluminum has a neutral effect on the spectrum. Substances with a surface bigger than the device detector can be analyzed with the device in any position. Although it is possible to analyze through plastic, it is always recommended to make a direct measurement on the substance in order to achieve the best prediction. When analyzing substances in high quantity, it is always recommended to perform several measurements in order to assess the homogeneity of the substance. There is no special safety recommendation for the usage of this device. The detector light is harmless. The device is shockproof and IP67 certified. The battery delivers 10 hours of continuous usage. The device can be left on charge when not used. The sapphire glass protector can be easily changed if broken. The sapphire glass can be easily cleaned between the analysis using a tissue and some alcohol. NIRLAB Narcotics is a unique library of more than 5,000 samples of illicit drugs seized on the streets worldwide. In one click of a button, NIRLAB is able to identify and quantify the major illicit drugs such as cocaine, methamphetamine and cannabis, as well as their main coating agents and precursors. Thank you for watching. Find more information on nirlab.com and see you soon for the next tutorial.